In a valley where emerald hills embraced a silver river, nestled a village touched by the whisper of the wind. And there, beneath the sprawling branches of an ancient willow, sat Aoi. Her world was woven from the rustling leaves and the turning pages of her books, a quiet harmony between the stories within and the world without. Sunlight, filtered through the willow's gentle embrace, danced upon Aoi's focused face. Her brow, furrowed in concentration, held the weight of worlds unseen, unlocked by ink and paper. A tiny wooden owl, a silent guardian, rested against her neck, a reminder of wisdom sought and knowledge gained. Within the warm embrace of the village schoolhouse, a quiet industry unfolded. The soft scratch of nibs on paper filled the sunlit air, a symphony of young minds at work. Aoi, pen in hand, diligently captured the lessons of the day, her focus unwavering under the watchful, gentle gaze of her teacher. Each stroke of Aoi's pen was deliberate, each character formed with care. The black ink flowed like a thoughtful stream, carrying ideas onto the waiting page. In the margins, tiny sketches bloomed, a testament to a mind that saw wonder in every corner of the world. A hush fell over the familiar village square. Gathered around the weathered notice board, hearts held a mixture of hope and apprehension. The crisp white paper, freshly pinned, held the culmination of months of learning. Aoi stood a little apart, her gaze fixed, her anticipation a quiet flutter in her chest. A sea of names and numbers swam before anxious eyes. And then, a burst of bright red. A circle, a mark of recognition. Beside Aoi's name, numbers shone with unexpected brilliance, a testament to efforts unseen, now brought into the light. Whispers of surprise and admiration rippled through the small crowd. A soft gasp escaped Aoi's lips. Her eyes widened, reflecting the surprise that bloomed within her. Slowly, a genuine smile unfurled across her face. A quiet radiance that spoke volumes. Around her, the warmth of congratulations enveloped her, a gentle acknowledgement of her quiet triumph. With light steps and a heart as airy as the butterflies that danced around her, Aoi made her way home. The rolled parchment in her hand held the proof of her dedication, a tangible symbol of dreams taking flight. The tall grass swayed in gentle applause as she walked beneath the vast blue sky. Beneath the familiar canopy of the ancient willow, Aoi found solace once more. Her hand rested on the rough bark, a silent thank you to the old friend who had witnessed her hours of study. As sunlight dappled her results, a peaceful smile settled upon her lips, the rustling leaves whispering secrets of accomplishment. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of farewell, the village lights began to twinkle like fallen stars. Aoi stood silhouetted against the vibrant canvas, the gentle breeze carrying the distant sounds of her home. A feeling of serenity settled over the valley, a promise of new dawns and continued dreams. The warmth of home enveloped Aoi as she burst into the cozy kitchen. The aroma of her mother's loving care filled the air. With a trembling hand, she presented the news. Tears of joy welled in her mother's kind eyes as she embraced her daughter, a silent language of pride and boundless love. Her mother's calloused fingers, weathered by years of gentle labor, traced the circle of red ink. Each mark held a weight of understanding, a recognition of the quiet dedication that had led to this moment. Her gaze was filled with a profound affection, a mother's heart overflowing with pride. Around the low wooden table, a simple meal became a celebration. The soft glow of the paper lantern illuminated their happy faces as stories and smiles were shared. In the quiet murmur of their conversation, the bond between mother and daughter deepened, strengthened by this shared joy. The morning sun painted the village in hues of gold, and Aoi's steps were lighter than ever before. Familiar sights, The baker's flour-dusted hands, children's playful laughter, seemed to sing a cheerful melody. The world itself felt brighter, echoing the joy in her heart. A warm smile from her teacher greeted Aoi as she entered the classroom. On her desk, a small sunflower stood tall and bright, a silent cheer of congratulations. The nods and smiles of her classmates created a circle of shared happiness, a testament to the supportive spirit of their small school. On a grassy hill overlooking their peaceful valley, Aoi and her friends found inspiration in the world around them. Sketchbooks open, they captured the beauty of nature, their laughter carried on the gentle breeze. A shared curiosity and the simple joy of companionship filled their afternoon. Within the pages of Aoi's sketchbook, alongside familiar flora and fauna, a new bloom appeared. A small sunflower, its face turned towards an imagined sun, a simple yet vibrant symbol of her recent joy and the warmth of appreciation she had received. Beneath the watchful gaze of the ancient willow, Aoi returned to her familiar haven. The results, once a source of quiet anticipation, now rested gently in her lap, a symbol of dreams realized through dedication. And there, near the wise old tree, a single sunflower bloomed, bathed in the golden light, a testament to the quiet magic that blossoms when passion and perseverance take root in a gentle heart.